All right, guys, welcome to Building a Better Handstand, episode 4. So obviously you don't have to make sure you've done 1, 2, and 3 in order to enjoy the video today, but it's helpful to do these videos and it's helpful to do them in a progression so that way you can get better and stronger and feel confident in our next few movements. So today I have my mat lined up with the wall. What's important about this is that you're aware that your space again is open and that you're not going to get hurt. So a couple of things I keep reminding you of just in case. So we're gonna get started today kind of using this concept of the wall and are allowing ourselves to feel confident here. It's gonna be a lot of shoulder work and it's gonna be a lot of other opening, but it's gonna feel good. So just start at the top of your mat away from the wall, and I want you to inhale, raise your arms up high. Exhale, take a deep forward fold here, allowing your head to fall, weight to move forward in the foot, and just kind of shake your head from side to side. Place your hands on your shins, lift and lengthen halfway, long flat back. Good, exhale, fold forward, pull your chest into your legs, lengthening through your tailbone. And then again, halfway lift. We're gonna step back to high plank, take a vinyasa just to kind of flow through here. So it's a little bit of fun sequencing, utilizing the wall, lower down. Inhale up, and then exhale, pull it back to your down dog. Now you're gonna walk back to the wall with your hands so that you're in a forward fold at the back of your mat. You're gonna extend one foot to the wall right in line with your kneecap. So you can see that here. And then the second foot to the wall in alignment with your kneecap, and hold here for 4. Just getting that shoulder strength. 3. And you might not be able to do this, that's okay. One more breath, come off the wall. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, you're gonna come all the way up, use the wall to back bend. So take your fingertips on the wall, lift your heart. Exhale, fold forward, bring yourself back down. Inhale, come all the way out to plank. Good, lower down to your belly. Take your hands to the sides of your mat. Inhale, kind of find this nice deep cobra pose. Exhale, lower. Inhale, ground the hands, up dog or cobra, your choice. And then exhale, back to down dog. Step your right foot forward. Good, lower your back knee. And just take a nice gentle lunge here, so that way we're not in our shoulders the whole time. Exhale, step back into down dog, and then take the left foot forward. So again, I'm just making sure that we're warmed up as we're moving today. Good. And then from here, release your hands down, step back to down dog, and then walk your hands again back to the wall. So as we move back to the wall, it's important to remember shoulder strength. So opposite foot's gonna go on the wall. So now my right foot goes on the wall first, and then my left, and I'm gonna hold for 4. Lots of shoulder strength here, so you can see my arms. I want you to keep them straight. 2, step off the wall, and then exhale, fold forward. Use the wall to back bend. Inhale, reach up high, reach for the wall. Good, exhale, release. Now, what's important here is to figure out where you need to be on the wall in terms of your mat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn around, I'm gonna put my foot flat on the wall and reach it straight on. Notice I'm not leaning back to reach the wall. My hip and my foot are directly on the wall. And then from there, I'm gonna rotate around exactly where I was standing. And then I'm gonna step back a couple inches. That's gonna give me the opportunity to put my hands down where my feet were to make sure that the wall is one leg distance away from me. Now, as you bring your palms down, lift your tail. Exhale, one foot to the wall, does not matter which one. And I want you to go above your butt, because honestly, it's easier, but it is scarier. So remember, as soon as your feet go up, the only thing holding you there is your palms. And then the opposite foot. And I just want you to hold there. So as you walk up the wall, you shouldn't feel like you're in a handstand, because you're not. You're just allowing yourself to be upside down. But then I want you to walk those feet, try to line them up with your butt. Bring your shoulders forward. 3, lots of work in the shoulders. 2, exhale off the wall for 1. Good, roll it up. And then shake out the wrist as well. and allow yourself to breathe. Now, with the wall, what's important is giving yourself that opportunity to not be afraid, okay? So I said, as soon as you go upside down, remember your hands are the only thing that's holding you. And that's super important because I don't want you to fall down as soon as your feet go up, okay? So the way you can make this harder is we're gonna get closer to the wall, but the way that you can stay comfortable where you are is allowing yourself to choose to get a little bit closer to the wall maybe, okay? So again, finding that height, hip to foot ratio, bringing it down, rotating around, all right? And then I'm gonna get even closer to the wall. Now the closer I get to the wall, it's less tension on the shoulders because I'm not in that kind of L shape that we were talking about, but I'm allowing myself to move more into a handstand, which would go up the wall. So I'm gonna exhale, fold forward. Inhale, one foot up the wall, and I'm gonna go high on the wall, and then the second foot. Now engage your legs, and then you can walk in. Now this is advanced, so option one, you're just gonna stay here for a couple breaths, or you can walk in a little bit more. Maybe look at the wall. Now don't freak out coming down, walk forward, walk your feet down, gently step one foot and then the other, and then exhale, fold. Good, so really give yourself that opportunity to not freak out when you're upside down. Good job. So again, this is quick. We're not here for 30 seconds, we're not here for a minute, because I don't want you to get too tired, okay? So what this does is it gives you the shoulder strength, and it gives you the stability, and it gives you the confidence to move, all right? So again, let's find the top of our mat. We'll sequence ourselves back. Inhale, our arms up. And then exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift halfway up. Exhale, fold. Step into high plank, one foot and then the other. And then exhale, lower chaturanga. Inhale, up dog or cobra. And then exhale, pull back to your down dog. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. And then take the hands, walk them back. And then again, fold forward. Use the wall to back bend, so squeeze the legs. Inhale, lift up, lean back. Exhale, release your hands down. All right, so I'm gonna start tight to the wall so that my glutes are touching the wall. Again, this is much harder, especially in terms of flexibility and trust. So if you don't wanna start here, then this will be your third time practicing with the leg fully extended like we did before, distance to the wall, and you'll work from here, all right? Now, as I come back, I'm gonna fold forward, put my hands down. The reason this is harder is because in terms of flexibility, it's hard to get your leg further up the wall. So you have to kind of bend it in and back and then push up. So think standing split. From there, second side. Now, squeeze your legs super tight, walk it back. And then maybe you hit a point where you can get really tight where your stomach can go against the wall. Squeeze everything together for 3, 2, use your toes, walk it forward, try not to slide, step down, exhale, grab the back of your legs and fold. Good, inhale, lift halfway, come all the way up from there, shake out your hands. Good, breath out. So I want you to apply these principles, bringing your mat to the wall. Find that an opportunity where we can jump forward if you want from the wall, maybe practicing those handstand hops. Sequence yourself back to the wall and allow yourself to kind of extend one leg out, hold it there, climb the wall, or bring yourself back down. Again, all this stuff is going to get your heart rate way up. It's going to challenge you a lot, and it's going to give your wrists some tension. So be sure to shake them out each time you get off the wall. If you have any questions, comment below, and good luck with your handstands.